बिफोर दैट अर्जुन, करीना, ये जो की का पंगा सदियों से चला आया है, व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से ऑन दिस? ये इज इट द सेम थिंग, थ्रिलिंग पुलिंग, व्हाट डू यू फील?
Well, we believe that it's the same thing.
अर्जुन, जो भी होगा सेम होगा।
वो सवाल पे डिपेंड करता है, इस वक्त तो आप समझ सकते हो कि इसका जम रहा है तो।
दही जमता है कि जमती है?
क्या पता यार, मैं एक्टर हूँ, पैसे मिलते हैं काम करने के लिए, सीख जाता हूँ, करके आ जाता हूँ यार।
अरे यार बोला था ऐसे करके देंगे, हद कर रखी है ना, होती है कि होता है?
आपको पता है दही जमता है कि नहीं जमता है?
I don't know. You're the cook in the film, not me.
नाक होती है कि होता है?
ये होता है, औकात दिखा दी। 30 सेकंड लगे हमारे प्रमोशन के पहले, 30 सेकंड में इन्होंने औकात, तुम कुक हो पिक्चर के बस।
मैंने क्या किया जी, आप फिर से देखिए।
तुम नहीं, मैं। She has just called me a cook and that is what the film is about.
Yeah, but you're the housewife, na? You're wearing the apron and cooking.
यार
and
ये तो
working.
पंगा अभी से
अरे
शुरू कर।
एप्रन पहनने से थोड़ी ना फर्क पड़ता है।
अच्छा ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं, इस बैंटर को यहाँ खत्म करते हैं। हमने पोस्टर देखा है, वी ऑल लव्ड इट। तो शुरुआत जो करेंगे ना, वो किस एंड मेकअप
Don't ask me to kiss Arjun.
किस एंड मेकअप से करने वाले। कैन वी हैव द स्टैंडी प्लीज? जल्दी से वो सेल्फी वाला लेके आओ, दौड़ के भाग के। मोशन पोस्टर आप सबने देखा होगा, फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम यू गोना सी अ लाइव पोस्टर ओवर हियर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम विद की एंड का। क्या करूं इसके साथ?
As long as I don't have to kiss Arjun live, that's all.
ओके,
Then तो definitely.
डायरेक्टर साहब, यू गोना डायरेक्ट देम?
क्या रेप्यूटेशन है भाई।
अच्छा ठीक है,
Are we supposed to create this? Then तो definitely divorce.
recreating the moment only for you, ladies and gentlemen. Ki and Ka for the first time live poster.
That's all I was only.
We can recreate Titanic for you in reverse. I can be
Rocky
Rose.
sir, you are just after me to get divorced.
Sir,
That's
we'll
for
do
sure.
this. Why don't you get Gauri also here? You and Gauri recreate the poster. Other people should recreate the poster, no?
अच्छा, we'll do a दूर का one. Don't touch my lips.
We'll do handshake. We'll do handshake. Like I'm getting an award. पहली बार जिंदगी में award मिल रहा है. She's giving me.
अबे जॉब जस्टिफाई करवा देते हैं। कोई नहीं, बाल्की साहब सबसे पहले बताएं, की एंड का ये दोनों की केमिस्ट्री मतलब देखने लायक, ये नहीं लगा कि यार ये थोड़ा अनयूजुअल सी पेयरिंग हो जाएगी, कुछ हो जाएगा? और खास तौर पे कहानी भी, पति को पत्नी बना दिया, पत्नी को पति।
पहले मैं जवाब देता हूँ। एक्चुअली ये टाइटल पता है क्यों है? क्योंकि ये बाल्की है और ये करीना का है। मैं सिर्फ एंड बीच में, एक्चुअली की एंड का ये है और कुछ नहीं है। ये थॉट, ये जो फिलोसॉफिकल थॉट निकला ना, लड़की कुछ नहीं, बाल्की करीना, मैं बीच में एंड अटक गया हूँ और कुछ भी नहीं।
बाल्की खाल, सॉरी बाल्की करीना। अभी जी बाल्की साहब बताएं थोड़ा इसके बारे में।
Actually, the real reason for doing this film is when I write, I'm very bad with my keys and cars. So I've always been cursed for not getting my keys and cars right. So I said, might as well make a virtue out of it. So you started that. So that was the no jokes apart. But I think the real thing is, I think this film is all about just saying that it doesn't matter what the gender is. It doesn't matter what what we normally associate with male and female. Everything is the same. So it's about people playing two different roles: the male playing the female role, the female playing the male role, and how the problems will still be the same. And it's got nothing to do with who plays what. Life is still the same. So it's all about that.
वाओ, सुपर। करीना, दिस वंस फॉर यू। प्लीज हमें बताइए कि अर्जुन के साथ फिल्मिंग के अलावा और कौन कौन सी चीज पे बॉन्ड किया आपने? कपूर खानदान का चिराग, कपूर खानदान की ज्योति, हैं? ज्योति बनी ज्वाला हो जाएगा भी यहाँ।
Sir, you have ruined my career, sir. Sir, officially, he has just called me कपूर खानदान की ज्योति।
चिराग आई कॉल्ड यू।
But anyway, you're playing the woman.
हो गया ना, वो तो पिक्चर में है ना।
But I think that the whole idea is everybody's, I think, shocked because it's a very new concept. And of course, हम लोग हमेशा कहते हैं कि कुछ अलग करना चाहिए, कुछ अलग करना चाहिए। जब कुछ अलग करते तो सब चुप हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि then we start thinking कि नहीं ऐसे होना चाहिए था, वैसे होना चाहिए था. But I think that the fact that this is such a brave script, it's something so brave, and the fact that Arjun has done this role is, I think, the bravest decision that he could have taken, because not many men have the confidence to wear an apron and to stand in that kitchen or to even tell their wife कि घर चलाना है, पैसे दे दो. So that is a very big thing.
राइट, एंड सरदर्द वाला बहाना भी कभी नहीं किया होगा किसी ने,
हाँ,
है ना?
नहीं, that तो I don't think.
किसी ने नहीं किया होगा। रजित कपूर
that
साहब,
तो हम भी नहीं करते.
ओह, रजित सर ने एक बहुत अच्छी चीज बोली अर्जुन यहाँ पे, कि क्या मर्दानगी चेक करनी है, तो क्या हुआ फिर उसके बाद सीन?
चड्डी चेक कर,
चड्डी check कर।
बाथरूम
चेक
में
करके
जाके-
आए हो ना?
हाँ।
नहीं तो यू हो ना,
आप चेक करना चाहोगे चड्डी?
मेरा हो गया, देखा है आपने?
पिक्चर के हिसाब से वही होता है. When she says something very important, the problem is everybody in our country has this notion, to be a man you need to check what is there below.
Right.
I think to be a true man is to be able to take care of the person that you love in any capacity. It has nothing to do with whether you're bringing the money home. It's about being there as an understanding partner.
Or if you have a six pack and if you have great
that
biceps.
that
and
notion
triceps.
of being a man is very, very stereotypical, which should be changed. And when he speaks about chaddi check करके, she says exactly that कि मर्दों की प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हमेशा पैंट चेक करनी पड़ती है जानने को कि वो मर्द है या नहीं. It's the actions. It's not because you have something down there that makes you a man. It's what you do as a human being that makes you stand up and be counted for as a man.
हाँ यार, इतनी अच्छी बात कर गए यहाँ पे. मुझे ये बोलें, एक आखिरी सवाल, कभी ऐसा हुआ करीना काम से लौट के आई, यारी दोस्ती में एकदम मेरी ज्योति बाहर निकल, कुछ इस टाइप का किया इन्होंने?
चप्पल लाओ.
यार करीना के साथ काम करने का पता है क्या मजा है? इन्होंने जो अभी कहा कि शी फील्स दैट आई हैव मेड अ वेरी ब्रेव, फॉर मी इट वाज एन एक्साइटिंग चॉइस टू बी एबल टू डू समथिंग दैट इज सो ड्रास्टिकली डिफरेंट. लाइक शी सेड कि जाके बोल सके हमने कुछ जेन्युइनली इस बार हटके और अलग और डिफरेंट वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट में यूज कर सकते हैं. व्हेन ही टोल्ड मी ही वांट्स टू टेक हर, आई जस्ट फेल्ट this excitement as an actor because I knew she's going to come with the intention to do right for the film. She's not selfish as an actor, she's not selfish as a performer, and she was very, very patient with me. It's not an easy role, and I have this thing where Balki sir is concerned, I try to understand and analyze everything and have these conversations, and he hears me out and then says, okay, now do exactly what I told you. So she had to bear with my entire process of trying to be this actor and have conversation. She was very, very patient. She could have been that actor saying, yaar chalo yaar karo. She really allowed me to have fun with her without worrying about how much she has done before this, what baggage she carries of being a star. She never ever any day on set allowed me and
That's
him
because
to...
I love you, Arjun, yeah, and also because you're a good kisser.
No, but what is really wonderful about the two of them is while he's playing the woman of the house and she's playing the man of the house, there's not one bit of masculinity what you associate with masculinity in her or femininity in her, femininity in him.
नहीं हर भी चलेगा sir.
I just think but that's I think the film is all about. If you do things that are normally associated with women, you don't become a woman. If you do something that associates with a man, you don't become a man. You can still be very feminine, very masculine, and easily interchange roles, and the world will be a better place. That's what the film is about.
And that's just amazing. We all loved the trailer. ये मैं बोल सकता हूँ सबके बात पे. बाकी it's over to you. आप लोग के जो भी शक, सवाल, क्या कहते हैं, शुबे हैं, वो सब दूर कर लीजिए. हो जाए.
हम बैठ-
Please have a seat. जी.
Hi,
पहले उन्हें बैठने दें अर्जुन. मर्द पहले बैठे. मतलब ऐसा
तुम
कहा
कहाँ पे
नहीं.
पैदा होके आए हो? अरे वर्ल्ड रेडियो डे.
it was thank you. मेरा सवाल है, जब ये स्क्रिप्ट आपको सुनाई गई तो आपने घर पे भी चर्चा की, और घर पे चर्चा करने के बाद सैफ साहब का क्या था कहना इस पर्टिकुलर स्क्रिप्ट के लिए?
एक्चुअली हम लोग ने पहले कभी स्क्रिप्ट डिस्कस नहीं किया, बट ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन बाल्की सर मैसेज्ड मी, आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई respect him as a filmmaker, and I just told Saif that I'm going to meet Balki, and he's going to narrate me his script, and I think the conversation ended there till last night. फिर last night उन्होंने promo देखा because Balki sir sent the promo home, and I wanted Saif to see it before anyone else does. And I think I've never seen the reaction. He's like, I think it's one of the best promos I've seen, and he was like, I'm so proud that you've actually said yes to now this is what all of us actors say कि ये अलग फिल्म है, कुछ हटके है इस फिल्म में, कुछ अलग है. He's saying this is actually what is different. So I think his reaction was amazing in spite, and he had not heard heard the script, nothing. I hadn't told him anything. But he definitely knew through the making of the film that I was very, very excited. So he knows that when I'm excited, when an actor is excited, there's going to be something special out there.
एंड कुछ वो भी पका पाते हैं किचन में, कुछ अगर आप शेयर करना चाहें एग्जैक्टली?
Abhi to now Arjun has to give Saif tips because Saif is not a very great cook. But Arjun has mastered the art. Master chef तो पक्का है आपका एंकरिंग इसके बाद.
मैं पहले खिलाड़ी बन जाऊँ.
नहीं उसके बाद.
हाँ, तो बेसिकली करीना कह रही है कि मैं टीवी की तरफ और ज्यादा आने वाला हूँ. आई लाइक इट. नहीं, आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड टू व्हाट शी जस्ट सेड. आई गॉट one of the most warm and amazing messages from a fellow actor that I look up to, and that is Saif yesterday. He's not somebody who's very vocal about it unless he genuinely feels it. He was very happy when Ishaq Zadeh released and he had messaged me that time. And yesterday night, he sent me a message because obviously he knew how much fun we had doing the film, but he reacted genuinely as an audience and he felt really, really proud that both of us had done the film. So it meant a lot to me coming from, I think this genre is something that he has done so well over the course of these years. And it just meant a lot coming from him. And if an actor like that gives you that respect, you do feel you're heading in the right direction. So it was very important to get that vote of confidence from Saif as well.
Odd things work, but sweet and sour. Something different. That the typical pairing never really works, but something odd is, there's something about it. Very organic.
मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि आगे जाके जब आप सेटल हो जाएंगे तो आप जैसे ऑन स्क्रीन हमने देखा है आप वैसे ही अपने वाइफ को सपोर्ट करेंगे या कुछ और क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो आप सीखे हैं इस फिल्म के दौरान?
यार पहली बात तो मुझे खाना बनाना थोड़ा बहुत ही अभी आता है क्योंकि फिल्म के लिए मैंने 12-15 दिन मेहनत की थी किचन में पहली बार घुसने की. इसके पहले आई टुक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड बिकॉज आई हैव ग्रोन अप इन द लैप ऑफ लग्जरी. जेन्युइनली आई से दैट आई हैव हैड पीपल टेकिंग केयर ऑफ मी एंड केटरिंग टू माय नीड्स फॉर दीज इयर्स. And I never quite understood how much effort it takes to be able to be this selfless that housewives are. The concept exists in front of all of us. We see it every day and it is taken for granted. The film deals with something very important where because we take it for granted somewhere, सब कहते हैं ना अरे तुम तो बस घर पे बैठी रहती हो. वो घर पे बैठती नहीं, वो घर बनाती है. She sacrifices, she lets go of a lot of her own needs and desires and ambitions so she can fulfill and nurture y'all. And me included. So when I heard the film, for me the most important part was I would like a lot of men to see this film and just go and give their wife a hug at the end of the day and make them realize that yeah, we value you. I think any human being eventually wants to feel valued and loved. That's pretty much the basic part of it. It doesn't matter whether I can cook or not. If I can as a partner provide that support to her and respect her for, if she chooses to be a housewife, amazing. If she chooses to go out and work, I'll be happy. Eventually, I believe it is your personal choice. No man or no woman should dictate to another person what he or she is capable and should do. So for me, at a personal level, it's a very layered thing. Maybe I come from a certain mindset. That's why I was dying to do this film because I feel it's a conversation starter. It's not an opinion. It's not कि आपको यही करना चाहिए, ऐसे ही सोचना चाहिए. It's just we need to think about these things. These things matter today. आपको हुनर और काबिलियत पे काम मिलना चाहिए, ना कि क्योंकि आप एक मर्द या औरत. So in my personal relationship, I would just respect and love her and be supportive in whatever choice she makes, and hopefully make breakfast for her.
इस तरीके के रोल लाइफ में बहुत कम मिलते हैं. आपने इसको बखूबी निभाया. तो शूटिंग से पहले आपने क्या क्या तैयारी की थी?
Well, I think that मैंने हमेशा कहा है that I'm a director's actor. I work best with amazing directors, and I work really badly with some bad directors. And that's what an actor is. So I think that I must share this with Balki sir because I think he was quite sure what he wanted. And somehow the chemistry between us just worked. And, there's this, this character has come to life. And that's the way I think I am because I think I'm an instinctive person and an instinctive actor. I don't come with any preconceived notions on the set. No form of preparation. So I like to be steered in the right direction. So my director has to take me, down that road. He has to hold my hand because I'm still a baby.
Okay, let me just correct that. Complete rubbish. She's a fabulous actor. She doesn't need a director. She's possibly the finest actor this industry has produced. And she knows it all, instinctive. She doesn't do the usual kind of preparation, but she understands the script better than anybody else. She knows every nuance that there is. All that I have to tell her is a nod. Yes, she just looks for the nod because she's already done it. The only thing I was doing right through the film is like this. So she's absolutely amazing actress, and I mean all great actresses, all great actors always say that. I'm a director's actor, which means I'm damn good. I don't need a director.
No, sir. But she did listen to you way more than I used to. Still have counter discussions. She was very. I think she was disciplined about listening.
No, that's because she's been brought up right. She's polite.
अच्छा तो मेरे परवरिश में गलती है.
It's wonderful.
No,
I would love to know what my dad has to say about this.
You're a woman in the
I'm actually an auntie. I'm like
Aunties are very argumentative.
हाँ कि मैं चिक चिक करता था रोज.
Women love to argue, so that's why you would.
Other than that, what other reference points were there? Were you also subjected to the same thing?
No, actually, Gauri accuses me of writing things that I never practice in life. So she says, why don't you at least practice 10% of what you preach? I said, if I did practice, why would I preach it? Because the fun is in doing films that you don't, which is not part of your life. I mean, the fun is, for me, is never about recreating some parts of my life or somebody else's life. It's all about just saying, wish life was like this, wish life was like that. It's never about how life is.
Usually all these I mean, you are still young. Don't take it otherwise.
Very
Comment.
good
I'm
sir.
very
Ma'am,
proud
very
of
good
my
sir.
comment.
I'm not hiding it.
Comment on this. You're breaking the norms.
No, I don't look at it as breaking any norms. I think I'm an actor. Acting is in my blood. I work with Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan. I work with Arjun. I work with everyone. I work with whoever I'm comfortable with according to, my comfort level. I mean, I'm not trying to break any norm and say that, I'm so in this and I'm working with a younger. He's an actor.
But I want to just do the key card thing on that. You'd never ask that question of Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan. Why would you ask it of her?
What do you think about Indian society in general? Do you think we're still a patriarchal society, and do you think your movie will bring about some change?
Yeah, I always say this. I think we always have this expectation that films are supposed to bring a change. Films is just a reflection of what's happening in reality. At the end of the day, there's a gross misconception that cinema is supposed to bring about a revolution and change society. We represent what is actually happening. हम दिखाने का तरीका ढूंढते हैं जो सबसे सही हो, जो सबसे सिंपली समझ पाए हर इंसान इस देश का, और जो हमारे देश में नहीं होते. I think it's more important to have an awareness and have a conversation about it. If out of our film's trailer coming out, see, these conversations are all had in office corners, in houses, in coffee shops, they're all discussed in very hush-hush tones. Why do we need to have it in a hush-hush tone? Why is it such a taboo? I've met so many women who are so good at what they do, and I've met a lot of men who are not, they don't have an issue with accepting the fact that they're not maybe as ambitious as the expectation of society is, or the onus upon them is. So why can't they be comfortable being who they are? Why should anybody look down upon their choice? In the film, there's a very important line that Balki sir had written. It's ये जिंदगी हम दोनों ने चुनी है. अगर हमें परेशानी नहीं है, तो आप कौन होते हो कि आप कह सको कि ये सही या गलत है? It's about being tolerant towards all kinds of people and all kinds of choices people make. I think that's the only broader discussion to have, is that we should just have an open-mindedness. That's all.
And Kareena, in your personal life, do you wear the pants in the relationship?
What do you think? I think Saif looks amazing in jeans. And so do I. So we're pretty much equal. And I'm really happy to be married and working at the same time. And I think that answers it all, And he's working as well, so.
Yeah, so I think let's put it this way. This film might have an extreme take of something that potentially people might hope like a fairy tale. But even if we reach a midpoint with it, like what they have in their relationship, and we can influence people to think more in that direction, I think our job is very, very well done then, I would say. It's just about having that thought being encouraged that everything is possible. You don't have to have these boundaries for male or female.
मिस्टर बाल्की, इलायराजा साहब आपकी फिल्मों में संगीत देते ही हैं. इसमें मैंने एक पीस भी सुना हनी सिंह का, जो ट्रेन के आसपास था. तो इसमें एक लाइन लिखी है पोस्टर पर, मैं देख सकता हूँ, म्यूजिक प्रोड्यूसर भूषण कुमार. तो एग्जैक्टली ये क्योंकि बगल में इलायराजा भी लिखा हुआ है.
Okay, that is an important thing in this film also. For the first time, I asked Bhushan ji to kind of produce the music. Normally, T-Series does the music for their own films, produces the music for their own films, and they work with the team to kind of create music for other thing and finally acquire the music. But this time, I think we met Bhushan ji and I asked him to produce the music for the film, in the sense that I explained the situations of the film to him, explained the stuff. I didn't say this person should compose the track or this person should write the track. I left it to him, and then we worked together to kind of get the tracks absolutely right. But it was a fantastic experience, because I think music has to be produced like that. Gone are the days when you kind of say that this is the music, take it or leave it, and try and sell music to somebody. I think he's the expert as far as music goes. He knows what the audience likes, and I know what's right for my film. If those two match, there is nothing better than that. Why shouldn't it be like that? I would advise that for everybody.
We'll see. Did you actually have a policy like that you broke for this?
Well,
आपकी लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी है ना, वो ज्यादा
Oh,
जरूरी
that
है.
is the most
पॉलिसी
important.
चाहे तेल लेने, वो जरूरी है.
No, but but did you actually have
But that I think the media already knows that. I mean, I had read that there was this policy. I don't think.
I checked with her where she's taken out this policy.
Yeah, where this is coming from. I
जीवन
don't-
बीमा जो कराया था इन्होंने किसिंग को लेके.
But you know, this kissing is made a big deal out of, because what are husbands and wives supposed to do at home?
No, this
I mean,
is-
when they come home, what will they do? They will discuss.
This is what.
I was asking somebody. I mean,
like this, we're
they
supposed
say
to do
kiss,
this.
kiss, kiss, and it's and you're supposed to be a cool husband and wife. What would you do? I mean, I really want to ask various
So,
people. This.
sequel to Kian ka, you have 2 flowers instead of a face. Going back retro. Ji, hello
You
ma'am.
look like a master chef in the kitchen, you know, in the film. Have you really learned to cook? And
I must be a bloody good actor if I've convinced you I'm a master chef. A lot of people might not agree on the basis of the trailer that I'm a bloody good actor.
A lot of people will not agree on the basis of the food that was cooked by him.
Yeah. But I did when I did hear the film, I told Valki, so it's just there's a lot of sequences shot within the kitchen. It's not so much about the cooking, but I wanted to be comfortable around the kitchen and not feel lost when I'm picking up a utensil, when I'm cleaning something, when I'm washing something, when I'm cutting something. I wanted to be able to hold the knife correctly. So I'm not kind of bothered about the activity. It should be normal every day, which is what जैसे आप जब खाना बनाते होंगे घर पे, आप बात करते करते, टीवी देखते देखते, फोन पे बात करते करते, तो वो सब भी सीखा, जैसे आटा गूंथते गूंथते फोन पे बात करना.
Listen, I need a maid, yeah, in my house. Arjun, the way I'm very impressed. Look at the way with the conviction that you're.
मतलब पिक्चर नहीं चली तो यही करना पड़ेगा अब. ये तो कंफर्म लग रहा है कि आगे कोई पिक्चर मिलने नहीं वाली. इन्होंने बावर्ची भी बना दिया, मेड भी बना दिया. और वो वाला मेड मत बना देना जो बच्चे हो जाए उसके बाद तब बुला के पैम्पर भी बदलवाने.
हेलो बाल्की जी, पिक्चर 1 अप्रैल को रिलीज हो रही है, तो ये कोई खास आपने अप्रैल फूल्स डे चुना है या ऐसे ही?
I think we 3 are the biggest fools to have done this film. That's why. I mean, I just believe that it's a fun film, and you know, normally people would say, "Hey, what a foolish couple! How can they live like that?" You know, the normal stereotype people would say, "How can you do this? I mean, useless man. What is he sitting at home and kind of cooking out there when his wife is working hard?" So I think it's also a thing, a kind of a statement saying that, yeah, if you think it's foolish, so it is.
And we have a song which has that word in it also, which will
It's the whole thing. Their love is called foolish. So it's about that, and
है. इस बार सोच के किया मैम. ऐसे नहीं कि डेट चुन के वास्तु के हिसाब से, न्यूमरोलॉजी के हिसाब से. थोड़ा थॉट प्रोसेस भी है इस पिक्चर में.
Balki, I wanted to ask you this question from a very long time. You know, you make movies like Chini Kam, you've made Pa, and so on and so forth. ये जो हट के आप करना चाहते हैं हमेशा, you know, इसकी bravery आपको कहाँ से और inspiration कहाँ से मिलता है आपको?
no, nothing like hatke. I think people say just because we've seen 4 films that are similar doesn't mean one film which is not similar is hatke. I mean, there's nothing hatke about it. It's a light, simple, fun film, and I don't know what's so hatke about a man playing a home maker and a woman.
अभी इतना 1.5
playing a
घंटे का
bed.
build-up दिया, it's different.
So
it's
I'm
different
just saying, I would feel it that way. So I don't think it's hatke. It's just a fun film, which is a relationship based on 2 people. And I've never kind of set out to do something hatke. First of all, if you're going to labor for 1 year to do a film, it had better be something worth it. Otherwise, why would you kind of? It's the most traumatic process. Anybody who says filmmaking is fun is a bullshitter, because I think it's the most laborious process in the world. And the material or the thought had better be worth the trouble. For sometimes the thought works, sometimes it doesn't. But at least in your head, it must be worth the effort to go through that 1 month. At least for all of us, it should be worth that.
This one I did cajole him a lot. He won't confess, but I literally like cajoled him. Sir, please, sir, we should. I want to cook. I wanted to learn how to cook, so I convinced him to do this.
He was there actually. We had Arjun just dropped in one day, and I needed a person who, by no stretch of imagination, would be a homemaker, and that was him. Okay, look at him; he can never be a homemaker in his life. That's just in the Tevar. We were all at.
The reputation.
So I said, okay, this is the guy who's actually the thing. And I had a couple of ideas. He said, no, do this one. And I said, no, yeah, I don't know. I was very, very bored. And since you said Chini Kampa and did not say Shamitab, so I was very, kind of a little. So I know what it felt. So I was going through that little zone, and Komal would agree with me, and he slammed me for it. So, but so I was just in that
Komal is
zone. I said,
this movie
I
has to be-
swore to people that
I'm going to take
nobody will die in the film. Nobody will go out unhappy. Everybody will be happy. Even if they're crying, they should be smiling and crying. And that's everybody is smiling and crying, and everybody is happy. It's a happy film.
I
Eros
hope
also should be happy on
Eros
release.
happy is the happiest people at the end of it, because they are our producers, and if Eros is happy, it'll be Eros and Naidu must be very happy, and they are the two people who really matter. And if they are happy.
No, okay. But Arjun, you were cutting and chopping really well, as long as those were your hands only. So I
have evidence.
Okay. So
I
did you,
did injure myself when going through the process.
you really
मैंने इस
did
picture के लिए खून दिया.
okay. fantastic.
Stitches है permanent. And if you see the film also, the hand has this injury. Anyways, thank you for that compliment. अभी मर्दों से भी यही तारीफ मिलना बाकी थी. आप खाना बहुत अच्छा काटते हो.
Okay, the final question is.
मेरी सब्जी काटिए ना please. आके.
Arjun, see, we live in a day and age where we talk about women empowerment and feminism, but I feel that this is totally restricted to the internet. On the internet, everybody wants to see women empowerment, they want to comment about it, they want to use hashtags, etc., etc. But in reality, I think the scene is really different. So I would love to understand your take on this difference that exists between online and realism.
I mean, you're almost making it seem like the country has two sides that run to it, where the internet and the rest of the country don't merge at some point. The onus is also on the media where this is concerned. You have to be able to educate people to kind of move beyond the stereotypes. We in our own films showcase it in certain ways, but obviously we make entertaining films. It's an ongoing process here. कोई भी change एक country में, I mean, चलिए, without going into even very far back, I became an actor 3 years back. I've had the pleasure of meeting so many female journalists. 7-8-10 साल पहले ले लीजिए, even the amount of female journalists that existed in our country was slim to none. I mean, Bharti has been around for many years. I've known her. Yeah, but there are so many. There are very, I mean, you know the difference. I mean, you guys all know the difference. आप सब यहाँ पे बैठे, all the girls that are sitting here, this choice that you guys have been able to make today, चाहे वो इंटरनेट से आए हो, या आपकी राइटिंग से आए हो, या उनकी परवरिश से आए हो, या स्कूल में उन्होंने फैसला किया हो कि नहीं हम काम करेंगे, वो बदलाव आ रहा है. I think we should try and be more positive about these things rather than having this myopic view कि यार हिंदुस्तान का कुछ नहीं हो सकता. We live in a fantastic country where everybody is allowed to have an opinion and go through life and make the most of it. Now it is your choice what you want to do with it. So take better choices and make the most of it. Stop blaming other people.
I'm voting for you.
Balki ji, there is Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Bachchan ji's cameo in the film. If you could talk something about it, and can we consider Mr. Bachchan as your lucky mascot as well?
If I, that would really, I don't think he'll be very happy if I call him a lucky mascot. He's not a mascot. He's Amitabh Bachchan, number one. He is the country's greatest actor, and that he is here in this film. You will see in this film, it's a special appearance by both Jayaji and Amitji. And when you see the film, I don't want to say more about it. The essence of what we're trying to say is in that particular scene.
Because I got to work with Amitabh Bachchan from my generation. I'm the first actor that got to share screen space with him, with Jayaji and him together. I think it's an amazing achievement for me, and I'm कुछ भी हो मेरे करियर का ना, मैं I can look back and say मैंने तो पहले काम किया था.
आपने जैसे कहा कि आप सोसाइटी से इन्फ्लुएंस होते हैं, आपने अपने आसपास ऐसा कोई कपल देखा है कि हस्बैंड काम कर रहा है?
Oh, there are lots of people, but I haven't, I know a lot of people like that. They're not friends of mine, but I've heard of a lot of people like that. And I was quite tempted to kind of meet them before doing this film. But then I said, no, I don't want to know what their life is. I want a lot of people to want a certain kind of life that we paint, rather than saying, I'm borrowing from somebody's life. I just believe, somewhere believe, yes, we borrow so much from life. Film borrows a lot from life. I think film's job also to give is to give back something. You know, we keep borrowing. It's time to give back also something.
कभी आपने बनाया है?
What?
खाना किचन में?
Oh, I love cooking. I can cook. But my wife refuses to eat the food that I cook, but I can't help that.
करीना, कभी ऐसे हुआ है कि आप शूटिंग से आई हैं, खैर मेड तो काफी होंगे, कि कभी सैफ आपके लिए कुछ बनाए या कभी कुछ इस तरह का? Any?
Saif, I don't think is a great cook. One day he decided to make pasta for me. It took 12 hours to make it. So I think he's...
Emotion तो correct था ना, पर नवाब साहब का emotion एकदम correct था, दिल से निकला था.
So, the movie, obviously, as you mentioned, that it's very different, and with the content and the dialogues and certain scenes, they are a little bold and a bit different. Have there been any troubles with the censor?
No, this is children's movie. This is. It's a children's film. There's nothing bold about it or anything else. Not. Children also kiss, so we also kiss. So children also play with trains, we also played with trains. Children also cook, we also cook. Children also eat, we also eat.
Definitely, अगर कुछ नहीं था तो अब समस्या आप खड़ी करवा के छोड़ो. अब तक तो नहीं था, अब वो जागेंगे बोलेंगे हाँ
No, unless the censors have a problem with women working and men at home, then it'll be a censor problem. I'm sure that they won't.
बस थैंक यू सो मच लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए की और का के लिए.